Christmas Day. And I want to say, there's a lot of people sitting around the table, eating their turkey, eating their Christmas ham, and also eating some lovely Jamaican rum fruit cake, and also sorrel juice, and a lot of stuff. I know you guys are having a great time today and a great evening. Anyway, if you have a great time, please leave your comments below and tell me all your Christmas this year. Hopefully next year Christmas we can do better. You know what I mean? And that's why we go better and better and better each year. So please guys, leave a little comments and say, you know what, Chef Ricardo, I did enjoy my Christmas, I did enjoy my dinner. You know what I mean? Just share that love that others can see. Oh, we enjoy Christmas and have a great time with the family, with the kids them, and you know what I mean? So anyway, share your idea with Chef Ricardo and make others can see, oh, you know what I mean, we have a wonderful time this year, Christmas 2016. But we know New Year's is just around the corner, so I want to say Happy New Year when it comes, guys. Have a wonderful time, and also hopefully we can come out with the best, better in the new year from Chef Ricardo and the team. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and Google Plus me, Chef Ricardo. One love from the team. See you next time. Happy New Year.